What's up, creators? Okay, so plot twist. In my last video where I literally said, hey, animation for Midjourney is coming soon, they went, how about right now? Seriously quick. Anyway, buckle up. Today I'm breaking down the brand new Midjourney Animate image feature, how it works and why it's different, what you can actually do with it. I'll test it live, throw in some fails, some wins, give you the real scoop. So grab your coffee and let's go. Alright, quick summary. This isn't your average Midjourney update with a classic patch note dump. No, it's more like a surprise, here's an animation button. Hope you're ready. To summarize, image to video only, not text to video yet. So you need an image first. Either you generate one in Midjourney or upload your own. Then animate it. That's the whole playground. And yeah, Discord fans, sorry, not available on Discord. Just Midjourney web app. Let's talk about your shiny new animation menu. Here's the deal. 2 modes, automatic and manual. Automatic, the AI decides how your image moves, like magic trick with zero instructions. Manual, you tell the AI what to move and how. Want the model to moonwalk? Now's your chance. 2 movement levels, low motion, high motion. Low motion, subtle and elegant, maybe barely moves. High motion, full on party mode, lots of movement, full brace yourself, occasional AI got 2 creative movements. So you can either be automatic low, automatic high, manual low or manual high. Now let's talk specs. Each animation is a 5-second video. You can extend it up to 22 seconds by repeating the motion, basically 4 times the fun. But the quality of the output is 480p only right now. Yeah, back to the early YouTube days, folks. If you want it HD, gotta use external upscalers like Upscale or Topaz. Cost-wise, each video costs you 8 times more than what used to cost to generate an image. But if you have a pro plan, you can use the relax mode. Unlimited videos, just slower. Okay, time for some real fun. I took this thing for a spin. AI actually animates the image you give it. Doesn't make up a new character. Doesn't freak you out. Even figures look awesome when animated. Tried some human images next. Sitting down for movement. High motion, the movement got creative. A few things to know before you animate your masterpiece. There are some download issues. The regular download button gives you a super tiny video. If you want a better video, you have to download for social media. Organization users got to download each video one time. Bulk downloads are not available. Multiple faces, still a bit janky. If you're trying to animate a group photo, everyone comes out looking like a Picasso did a remix. Single faces, pretty good. Upscaling is not available yet, so you have to have an external tool to upscale. Unlimited animations if you have a pro pack. Alright, what about you guys? Have you tried this animation feature yet? What are you going to use it for? Fun, fashion, animating your cat to play guitar? Drop in your weirdest and wildest ideas in the comments. I'll try a few in the next video. That's a wrap for the first look of Midjourney's new animation magic. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI deep dives. Until then, keep experimenting and keep creating.